Hey guys, I was asked to do a video on WordPress basics. So this video here is to show you the WordPress basics. Just give you a rundown of what is the basic WordPress and so there's the advanced and then there's like the standard. The WordPress.com is separate from the theme fours and the hosting. So one is the videos I've been showing you is more advanced, but this one here is more of a basic. So, but what I was asked to do is give like a basic rundown of the basic WordPress because the videos I was putting up of the WordPress themes was a little more, was too advanced for some people. So this right here is going to be a basic video on WordPress. So here is the WordPress.com website where you can get started on your basic WordPress site. What happens is with this site, you can sign up and have your website up and running fast, but also they kind of make it easy for you. So this is the easier version. You don't have as many features as you would in advance. If you go through your own hosting and add WordPress to that, is different on this side. So this side is the WordPress.com side where you can start off small. It comes with their own WordPress.com app, so you can get access to your blog and things like that. But here, let's go over the plans. So here's the plans they have. So start at $7 a month, and you can do a monthly or yearly. So it's cheaper if you do a yearly plan. But if you do a monthly plan, it tell you the options you have. So personal, premium, business, e-commerce, and what options you have. So here you cannot just go to theme fours where I post my videos at, where you can get the WordPress themes and just purchase them from the theme fours and also put it on your WordPress site. So on this platform, you cannot. This is the not the advanced. So what happens is they have their own premium themes available for you. But what you can do is add your own, you can install your plugins. So with these two plans here, you can install your own plugins, but not your own themes. But they come with premium themes for you. So here it gives you different options. As you see, the different pricings. So this one right here would be, these two would be probably the best options because you get, hosting, things like that. They've removed the ads. You can collect payments. You can do ad revenue. They give you options to choose from the premium theme, but I'm going to show you some of their theme options. So if you're interested in going this route, this is the way that you can get up and running in no time. And they offer their own security, things like that with this one. But you can also add your own security plugins. And so if you've been using one before, or you just don't know about WordPress at all, and you're just starting out as a new website owner and just trying to get started with your website, started with your blog, started with your podcast, and you do not want to go the advanced route, you just want to stick with the simple route, then these two options is the best ones to get started. This one here is a $7 one. If you just want to just play around, get your website started to see what it's like, you can go with this one. But these two options here would be the best option for you. Let's check out here are their themes. So this one is these are the free ones. All of the free options that you can choose from to get started. So with the $7 plan, you can choose one of these themes. And one thing about it is that sometimes they do not come with like demo ready to go. So you're gonna have to set up yourself. Here is the premium options right here. So these are the premium options, which you can pay, which you see the prices here. And the premium option will come with demo content. So if you go to the free option, so if you say, oh, okay, I like, what's a nice one? This site right here looks like one that you will probably put on your like social media sites and put the links in your picture. So this basically the basic. So if you're looking for a basic WordPress, so the WordPress I've been showing you guys is more advanced. But I was asked to do this video for you guys because some people just do not want to deal with more advanced websites. So this is the basic one on WordPress.com. So if you go to info, it show you what the website looks like right here. And then it give you information about it, give you some quick videos, show you some it's basically tell you about the images, and show you what you need to change right here. For the image, you click the button, you change the image, you add your content, your video, vlog. It shows you here what you're changing. So, they give you a directions on how to set it up for yourself. So, make it because WordPress.com is set up to be easy for you. You don't have all of the advancements customized that you can do on an advanced one. So if you host it on your own website, on your own host, you can do more things. But this is a basic option where if you just want to get a website up and running fast, and this is where you'll go, WordPress.com. And you see this, they show you, the different layouts, what it look like. And again, on the left side here, it shows you some description. If you want to check out a premium one, that you see here for videos, so it will look like on your mobile, desktop, iPad. And then I have a how to customize blocks on the new blocks they have here. And you pay $50. So these options here, you have to be on a premium plan and pay $50 to get one of these things. But here are all the free ones. So, I just want to give you guys a quick video to let you know, here's how you can get started with the WordPress.com free option, not free, but these WordPress themes here are free. But also, if you do the advanced option, you get the same free WordPress themes as well. But this what it looks like. This is what you choose from when you get started, and based on the pricing that they have, that's what you'll pay. Let's go to pricing and let's pull it up. Here we go. So you can get a free plan, but a free plan will give you much. You'll get the free website, and you would get no domain. You just get it's a blog, a WordPress.com blog with their domain. But if you want to, with the $7 option here per month, you can add your own domain. And they give their hosting, they will remove their ads, you can collect payments, and you can get email support. And as you see, the different options give you more options here. So, and here is a pricing plan that you see what you get based on the pricing, and show you there. So, this is the basic WordPress setup here. So you have options. So you have options. You can go the more advanced route where, what I kind of teach, the more advanced option. This is the basic, but I will do another video on the basics and actually show you how to set it up. So if you actually want a basic WordPress theme, some simple, you don't want to deal with your own hosting, you don't want to deal with your own security and things like that, and you'd rather let WordPress.com deal with all that, then this is one way you can go. And I will do a video on this one another time to actually show you how simple it is, but also it still have the same advanced features as the advanced option without being on your hosting. You still got the blocks, you need to add it and change things like that. And you can add your plugins that you would need to for certain WordPress things, but you cannot buy a theme force theme and then take it over here because as you see here, they don't offer this, they don't have this option. They have their own premium themes, and you can only install plugins and extension functions to the site here. So I will do another video another time and actually show you the back end and show you how to set up one of their WordPress themes another time. But this is the basic. This is a basic WordPress setup here. Their basic WordPress themes right here. You know, they look nice, but it's not nothing like a premium one you will receive from Theme Force. So hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. If you got some questions, let me know. I will answer. All right, you guys.